everyone. My name is Shannon. I work at St. Mary's County Library. We love doing experiments with you guys, all kinds of science experiments and games and things at the library, but since we can't be together at the library now, we're going to try to do some fun things at home with you. So today we're going to make this cool density experiment using oil and water and other things like beads and glitter. So let's gather up our things and get going.
What is density? If you look up the definition, it's going to say density is a measurement of mass per unit volume. So simply that just means how many molecules are stuffed inside of an object. So think about that. What are some heavy things that are small? Like a rock or a paperweight. They're heavy and small. And what are some things that are light but are really large? Like a pillow or a cloud, really big, but that's really light. So a rock has more density. It's denser than like a pillow or a cloud. So to do this experiment, we're going to gather some things. So I have a water bottle that has some water in it. If you don't have a water bottle, you can use like a piece of Tupperware that has a lid or a mason jar. I've got some food coloring. And I've got oil. I'm going to use vegetable oil, but you can use any other kind of oil, olive oil, whatever you have around. It's a little messy. All right, and I've got glitter because I love glitter. And then I've got some beads. I have some heavy beads, and then I have some light plastic beads in here. And I even have some seashells. But if you don't have this stuff, you can just go outside and grab some pebbles, some leaves, and throw that in there. All right, and then I have air. I just want you guys to remember that air also has molecules, and it also has density. So I've got all of our things right here. All right, let's get started. So, I also have a funnel. It's not absolutely necessary, but it can get a little bit messy, so I'm going to use my funnel. All right, so first, I'm going to pour some food coloring into my bottle. I chose some blue. That's pretty neat. See how that works? So, our food coloring is a water base, so it's got similar density to the water, so it's going to mix in with it. It looks like it's a little heavier than water, doesn't it, the way it's falling? But it's going to mix all up in there. I'll put a little blue and I'll put a little pink. Let's see how it works out for me. Oh. Pretty good. I like that. Okay, so I've got this like dark purple color. That's cool. Wonder what colors you guys are gonna use. If you can take a picture or a video of yourselves doing this experiment, we would love to see that. So you can just post it in the comments on our Facebook page. All right, break out my funnel. So think about this. Which one do you think is denser? Which is heavier? Water and oil, they don't mix. I'm going to leave a little bit in there because remember, air. Alright, so now, got my water. My water stayed on the bottom. Here's my oil right here. And my air is on top. So, this is the heaviest, the densest. And then we got the oil, and we got the air. Alright. Maybe I should leave my funnel on for the glitter. All right. Pop this bad guy open. Oh, I didn't open him. Oh, I opened him. I just wanted a lot of glitter, so I didn't use the little. Ooh. Here's another fun lesson. Surface tension. See, it's kind of floating on the top. Well, sometimes flies can just land on water. Oh, look, it's falling down. Look. You see it? This is such a fun experiment. You know, and then when you're done, you have this cool kind of lava lamp bottle you can keep around. All right, now I've got my beads. We'll see if my beads go through the funnel. Oh, that bead's not gonna go through the funnel. Okay, we'll take the funnel off. Ooh, all right, that one was heavy. All right, so I have some plastic ones too. Well, that one didn't fall quite so fast, did it? Oh man, I had some shells too. I used a whole lot of my food coloring. You can't really see my beads. So maybe learn from me and don't use quite so much food coloring. Some little tiny beads too. Those in there. Ooh, okay, I'm making a mess. All right, so now we can shake it up. See what happens. Whoa. All right, so you definitely can see the air on top. Yeah. And starting to separate. So our denser, heavier materials are falling down to the bottom. And if you can see it, my beads are all down here in the bottom. It's pretty cool. I think next time I will use less food coloring so I can see through it. My mom used to do this a lot with me when I was a kid. So what she would do is she would put some glue on the top underneath of the lid so I couldn't take it off very easily. And then we keep them for a long time and just play with them. You can look at it through the light and see what the light looks like going through the oil and the glitter. So I hope you guys have fun with this. If you can try it out at home, then please take a picture and just post it in our Facebook comments so we can see what you guys are doing. All of your librarians miss you very much, and we wish that we could hang out with you and do fun experiments with you at the library. But until then, maybe we can just do some experiments online, and hopefully I can see you guys and see your creations. Have a lot of fun. Stay home, stay well, and we will see you soon. Bye.